So that's what's in the boxes. Now I'm going to open the packages and just see what they smell like, what they look like. We'll do the stain remover bar here first. Woohoo! Finally got into it there. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Smells nice. Very nice. Looks like a little block of cheese. I wouldn't recommend eating it, but... And apparently what you do with this is you wet it and just rub it on your stain. So what should we check out next? So tea tree oil laundry detergent. Smells very nice. And that's what it looks like. You're supposed to shake well before using and make sure the zipper is closed before you do it. And there's your little scoop. It does smell really very nice though. So there's that. That was the other stain bar. And, we'll open the little package here. This is the Swim and Sport fragrance free. So that's what it looks like. It's like a hard thing, and you just put it in the washer and then add your garments to the washer, or you can use it for washing clothes in a sink, like if you're traveling or something you don't want to put in the washer. You can use a basin or a sink and just drop this in and dissolve it and then wash your clothes. And it smells like nothing. It's definitely fragrance free. This is bleach free, and I'm pretty sure it's fragrance free too. We'll see when we get it open. Yeah, definitely fragrance free. That's what that looks like. I guess to avoid confusion between the two. So, and again, pre-measured. So you just put this in your washer and then add your garments. And it says brightens whites naturally. It's a biodegradable formula, removes yellowing and sweat stains. And all of these products are made in Canada, and they're safe for high efficiency washers. And what's this? This is the fragrance-free laundry detergent. And that smells like nothing too. That looks like. And again, it's a different shape than the other two, so to avoid confusion and You just put that in your washer. Same thing, it's biodegradable, non-toxic, tough on stains. And yeah, you could take those for traveling too, I would think. This is the Citrus laundry detergent, the powder. Ultra concentrated formula. It's eco-friendly. Anxious to see what this smells like. Smells like citrus. And again, you get your little scoop there, and that's what that one looks like. Made with plant-based ingredients with 100% lemon and orange essential oils. So that's what the fragrance is. I'm sure there's a scoop in there somewhere, probably at the bottom. It smells really nice. That's what that looks like. And again, it's eco-friendly, ultra concentrated formula, plant-based, made with 100% essential oils. I'm looking forward to that for my bedding. And this is the fragrance-free dishwasher detergent. What that one looks like. And it's biodegradable, streak-free shine, tough on dry on foods. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that because my dishwasher sits for a couple of days usually. There's only 2 of us in the household. So anyhow, that's what's in the box.